എൻ്റെ പേര് അശ്വിൻ ബാലകൃഷ്ണൻ. ചാലെ ഗവൺമെൻറ് ഹൈസ്കൂളിൽ 7ാം ക്ലാസ്സിൽ പഠിക്കുന്നു. ട്രിഗർ ഫോർ നാഷണൽ ഫീലിംഗ്. അവർ നേഷൻ. ഫ്രീഡം ഇൻ മൈൻഡ്. ഫെയ്ത്ത് ഇൻ വേർഡ്സ്. പ്രൈഡ് ഇൻ അവർ ഹാർട്ട്സ്. മെമ്മറീസ് ഇൻ അവർ സോൾസ്. ലെറ്റ് സല്യൂട്ട് ദ നേഷൻ. ട്രൈ കളർ. Others might have forgotten, but never can I. May the tricolor of my country furls very high. Salute the national flag. Salute the national flag. Indians, and sing the song of freedom's love. Remember how freedom was won by fighters' struggles, sacrifice. Pray for the lives lost in the fight and emulate their examples. Learn to be patriotic more and do your duty with fervor. Vande Mataram by Dynamic tells the wheel. For thy nation proud feel. May our flag fly aloft for its valuable most. Thank you. എൻ്റെ പേര് അശ്വിൻ ബാലകൃഷ്ണൻ. ചാലെ ഗവൺമെൻറ് ഹൈസ്കൂളിൽ 7ാം ക്ലാസ്സിൽ പഠിക്കുന്നു. ഫെയർ പ്രൈസ് ഷോപ്സ്. Ration shops. Fair price shops are called at ration shops in layman terms. Here the consumer gets a ration card on the basis of which he is given food grains. The state government has given license to the ration shops to sell the food grains at a comparatively lower price. There are 4,62,000 fair price shops all over India. Under the One Nation, One Ration Card system, beneficiaries can buy subsidized food grains from a ration shop in any part of the country. Ration card, Aadhaar linkage must to access the portability scheme. The Food Corporation of India does the job of storing the grains. One Nation, One Ration Card will ensure all beneficiaries, especially migrants, can access PDS across the nation from any PDS shop of their own choice. Anganwadi. Anganwadi means an central area in and around the house where most of the social activities of the household takes place. Anganwadi is a government sponsored child care and mother care center in India. It caters to children in the 0 to 6 age group. The word means courtyard shelter in Hindi. The government of India in 1975 initiated the Integrated Child Development Service (ICDS) scheme, which operates at the state level to address the health issues of small children all over the country. The Anganwadi system is mainly managed by the Anganwadi worker. She is a health worker chosen from the community and given 4 months training in health, nutrition and child care. She is in charge of an Anganwadi which covers a population of 1,000. 20 to 25 Anganwadi workers are supervised by a 20 to 25 Anganwadi workers are supervised by a supervisor called Mukhya Sevika. 4 Mukhya Sevikas are headed by a child development projects officer. There are an estimated 1.053 million Anganwadi centers employing 1.8 million, mostly female workers and helpers across the country. Thank you for Anganwadi workers caring my mother and myself.